What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to make free headless characters in your Roblox avatar and how you can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about just go over here and you have to go to the Google Chrome and make sure that you have signed in on roblox.com. And once you sign in over here on with your account on your roblox.com, all we have to do is we just need to go over here, click on the marketplace over here. And once you click on the marketplace, what we need to do is you'll be getting a search item over here. Now from here, we need to type for a character named Cindy. So let me search here for the Cindy. So what happens is I'll be getting a character named Cindy over here. As you can see, this is the character. So what I need to do is I just need to go for add, but I can select this particular Cindy over here. And what I need to do is just go over here. So this is the Cindy. I have to click on buy and go for get now. And also what I need to do is just click on not now because there are a few more things that I wanted to purchase. So we first bought a character of Cindy over here. And right now we need to go back to the marketplace once again. And this time we need to go over here, search for black hair. Let me search for the black hair and go for the black hair. And you can see we'll be getting tons of black hairs over here. And there is one thing called over here, any price you have to set into 0. So what happens is you'll be getting the cheapest free available black hairs right now. And if you scroll down, you'll be seeing a lot of black hairs. From this, you can select one of the best ones so far that you really like it. So I really like this particular one over here. So what I'm going to do is let me go over here, select this up. And what I'm going to do is once it's completely loaded up, just click on the buy and I have to go for the get now. And also I'm going to go for the not now as well, because I want to make a few more purchases as it is. And once you're done with this one, you're done with both these two things. And now you just need to go back over here to the top left and navigate to the avatar where you can get your avatar. So this is actually the avatar which is actually available right now. And if I go to the character, you can see there is an option called purchased one. From here I can put these are some of the Roblox avatar which I purchased it. And the latest one is Cindy, so I have to click on the Cindy. Now once I click on the Cindy, and Cindy is going to pop over here, and right now I need to make a few changes on the Cindy. So what I need to do is just go to head and body, and right now from here I have to navigate to skin tone over here. And once I navigate to the skin tone, I have to scroll down and click on the advanced, and you have to select the black because I wanted to make the Cindy looks like exactly the black, and I have to go for the done. And once after the black is done, I have to go back to the head and body, or you can navigate to hover up to the head and body. And right now you can navigate to from here, you can navigate to the head. And right now this is the head that we are having right now. And from here what we need to do is once you go to the head, you can set up to the black as it is. So you can just go over here head and body, and from here you can navigate to the heads. So these are some of the heads. As you can see, this is actually selected. So I'm going to uncheck this. So what happens is the Cindy is not having any facial recognition. It is completely like an headless. So that is why we have to do this. Now once you're done with this one, you have to do the same. You have to go to the head and body and navigate to the hair. And right now once you go to one, this is what we have, and you have to uncheck this and you have to select the one which I recently purchased. So this looks like over here like this, right? And once you're done with this one, you have to go over here to the head and body, and you can go to the characters over here, or you can just go back to the classic faces, or if you can make sure that you have to uncheck these two, that's very important. And once afterwards what we need to do is you can see this is how it looks like. And now you can use this particular avatar on your Roblox because it's exactly looks like it completely headless. And also you can change accessories. If you any purchased any accessories, you can check like necks, shoulders, and all those things can be removed if you have already purchased it or you have selected it. And this is how we can do this. And right now we can use this particular avatar on your Roblox game while you're launching any games, and you can see this looks like completely headless, and this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.